In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Salesforce Marketing Cloud. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, what to focus on, and how to build the skills that matter most for real projects and roles. First, head to Trailhead, Salesforce's official learning platform. It's free, self-paced, and designed for hands-on learning. Create a free account if you don't already have one, then search for Marketing Cloud content. You'll find guided learning paths called trails and modules that walk you through concepts, demos, and knowledge checks. As you complete them, you'll earn badges that track your progress and signal your skills to employers. Plan short, consistent study sessions, think 30 to 45 minutes each, and use the built-in Trailhead playground environments whenever you can to practice safely without touching production data. Keep notes on key terms and screenshots of your practice work. These will help later when you interview or prepare for certifications. Next, concentrate your time on the 4 core areas you'll use daily. Email Studio is where you build and send emails. It's your foundation for templates, content, and deliverability best practices. Journey Builder lets you design automated multi-step customer journeys triggered by behavior or data changes. Automation Studio handles scheduled and triggered data jobs like imports, extracts, and segmentation tasks that run behind the scenes. Audience Builder helps you manage and segment contacts so the right message reaches the right people. As you learn each studio, pick a simple scenario, like a welcome series, and try mapping the content, data, triggers, and timing end to end. When you're comfortable with the basics, aim for the email specialist level first. This is the most accessible entry point and proves you understand email setup, templates, send management, and reporting. Build a small portfolio by recreating a newsletter, a welcome sequence, and a re-engagement message with clear subject lines, personalization, and tracking. From there, you can grow into a consultant path where you'll define requirements, data models, and journeys for stakeholders, or a developer path where you'll deepen scripting and integrations. To supercharge your capabilities, learn 3 technical skills. SQL helps you segment and transform data in Marketing Cloud's data extensions. AMP script adds personalization and dynamic logic directly in your email content. HTML and CSS ensure your emails render well across clients and devices. Start with small testable tasks. Write a simple SQL query to filter active subscribers, use AMP script to insert a first name with a default fallback, and refine a responsive email layout. Always test in a safe environment, validate queries, and preview personalization before sending. Follow this path consistently, celebrate each badge, and keep iterating. You've got this.